This YouTube channel has blown up from just re-uploading videos and editing them with the power of AI. Since we are re-editing it, it's monetizable. In this video, you will get a full course on writing the script to finding the voiceover and how to edit this kind of videos. These videos are high engaging and that's why they go absolutely viral. If this tutorial helped, please subscribe. Anyways, here's an example video to get started without wasting any time.
In a distant land, a powerful lion found itself ensnared in a hunter's net, its roars echoing through the wilderness. Seizing the moment, a minuscule mouse.
First step, come to Pinterest and type funny story with a good hook. After you find one you like, you should rewrite it by yourself or ChatGPT can rewrite it too. I'd recommend don't copy paste it since it could get copyrighted. This video I'll just come to ChatGPT and type rewrite this script and it will rewrite our script. After that, come to 11 Labs to get AI voices. I'd recommend go through the voices and find one that fits your video. Paste the script we generated with ChatGPT after rewriting, then click generate. Let's see how it sounds.
A powerful lion found itself ensnared in a hunter's net, its roars echoing through the wilderness. Seizing the moment.
Sounds good. Now come to YouTube or TikTok and search satisfying video. If you're on YouTube, come to desktop version on Google, or if you're on computer, just come to youtube.com and search satisfying videos and click on the 3 bars here and click Creative Commons. These videos are copyrighted free. Now the editing. Come to CapCut and drop your video and voiceover. Then click on the text and add auto caption. Choose an animation and font. Then adjust the text. If you want to add some effects, go for it. I'll add this effect on the beginning. I would say add a funny sound if the video has a strong hook or a funny hook. Background music isn't necessary but can help in engagement. That's everything. I like to keep my videos short, so now you can go and explore more niche videos. If you're interested, click on the video on the screen and I'll see you in the next one.